So today I'm going to do a couple unboxing of online shopping. So, first I just want to tell you guys, the other day I got my third piercing on Black Friday. And I love it. And today is Wednesday. I had 2 snow days because we have a big storm. Got over a foot of snow. And then tomorrow I have a half day, which I'm excited. So the first package is from Pura Vida. And I'm excited. Everything was 50% off, and you know I was like scored because I want new bracelets. Because the ones I bought are like rusting off. They're from Tilly's. Ooh, cute. So cute. I love how they give free stickers. Oh, these are so cute. Love it. So the first thing I got are these crescent moon earrings. These are really cute. I love the turquoise. I also have the regular like circle turquoise that look really good with these. And then I got the breast cancer baggage. 10% goes to the breast cancer organization, which I think they should do more, but I'm gonna put this on right now. My grandmother died of breast cancer, and I sadly didn't get to meet her, so I do whatever I can to support organizations. And I love pink. Ooh, I love this. And I'll link all of the prices down here. This video probably won't be posted for a while because I have a couple more things I'm gonna order. Well, I ordered Urban Outfitters, and yeah. Ooh, this is cute. Okay, next thing is this really cute. That's really cute. Beaded anklet. Perfect for the summer. And then 5% of the purchase price is donated. That's not a lot. It says girls on the run. The one I thought I ordered was girl power, but I'll try this on. I'm gonna take this. Whoops. This one I got rusted and cheap. Again, from Tilly's, I got a whole pack. With this one, I'm gonna keep that on because I like it. That's the reason why I got the pack. Uh-oh. So I've been Accutane for how long? Maybe a month right now? Nah, not that long. But yeah, definitely can feel it. My skin's been very dry in my hands. So that's this one. And then this compass one I got a while ago. I love bracelets. Fun. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you later. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Just got a haircut. This is part of the unboxing. So cute. So right now, I have Urban Outfitters. They had some good deals. Whenever I go to the store at the mall, I always find stuff that looks weird. Oh, that's stupid. I'll do it like this. But I actually found some good stuff. So I took a picture of it, and I looked online, and I found it for a good price. These prices were so good. It was Black Friday. Hi, Dad. This is Tommy Hilfiger sweatshirt. saw it somewhere and I was like, that's super cute. I'll put all the prices down below. Oh, that looks so comfy. Look how cute. I hope it's not too short. I'll try it on for you guys in a second. But yeah, it's super comfy. The next thing is, I saw this before on like maybe like a YouTuber, maybe Alicia Marie sponsored this before. Or I saw an ad on Instagram, but when I was at the mall, like I said, I saw it. And I'm like, ooh, I want that. So it's Flamingo. It's a razor shaving cream and lotion. Need new razor. Mine's old. And I love the packaging. And this is so cute. You stick it on the wall. Shaving gel. Why does it look scratched up? That's weird. Why am I smelling it? I would totally use this if I would like travel somewhere. Ooh. Oh yeah, this one I got in a light blue. Ooh, it's so cute. So it comes with an extra one. And I'm pretty sure the original price with this was like $16 and I got it for like $7 or $9. A razor that flexes to fit all of your curves and edges. Yes, perfect for the light. Ooh, this is so cute. Guys are probably like, why is she obsessing over a fucking razor? Totally gonna use this tonight. Okay. Now, I'll show you the shot, the shirt, the shot in a second. First thought. I like know everything. Oh my god. Anywho, not my messy room. This is what it looks like. This is kind of annoying but cute. I don't know. It's very low cut. But I like this. Don't know. Looks good on my body. Ew. Definitely gained some weight. I don't know. Really good, some high-waisted jeans. Maybe these leggings might be good with it. I got these at Marshall's. Cute. It's definitely cozy. Anyways, I'll see you later. Hey guys, so I got my Ipsy box. So, I just want to show you my awesome nails I got. They were winter. They were dip. And so the other day, I got, remember I told you about that phone case? So to mix up the order, I wanted the checkered ones. This is like a cow print. I don't like it. I am going to return it. Yeah, I don't like that at all. I'm gonna exchange it, return it, whatever. So, here's my Ipsy box. So I did get a couple add-ons. Oh, that's so cute. Ew. This is Beauty for Real in the shade Starlust. It's a lip gloss. And I don't remember adding this one. They have like a deal, $3 for add-ons, and they email me, and I'm always a sucker for that. My nails are short. There we go. Okay, that's really cute. That's totally my color. Not gonna put it on right now because I don't want to. And the next add-on is a Rose Absolute First Serum. Do you see that? It's like not all the way full. That's kind of weird. So, it's vegan. Or matcha. Yeah, it's just a serum. Before moisturizer. I do like skincare and I like to try new products, so that smells good. But definitely I'll be using this when I use my toner. Oh yeah, update. I use the shaving kit. I forget what it was called, but I really love it. The razor is really good. And be aware that the shaving gel comes out really fast. I know that from experience. I know that because, yeah, it happens. Ooh. Space Case Cosmetics. This is super cute. This is a blush. The packaging. Dad's gonna come in and be like, you crazy. I love blush. So this is what it looks like. Interesting package. I don't know if that's my color. I don't know if you can see. I am naturally. I think it might be good. Could be because I'm naturally like pink, as you can see. But with my foundation, it might help. It's called It's Not Me, It's My Sign. That's so weird. Because I've been looking up my horoscopes lately and all like stuff about Aquarius, and it's totally me. Sparkle, shimmer, and shine. And it just explains that. And then this H2O Oasis Hydrating Treatment Water Gel Moisturizer. Good, I love moisturizer. This is H2O Beauty. Ooh, Focal Point Glow Highlighter by Color Range. Color Rine Cosmetics Glow Hider and Selfie. It says to use it on your lids or outer corner of your eyes. Oh, this is one of the packaging. It's called the Focal Point Glow Highlighter Selfie. I already said that. Packaging's kind of boring, not gonna lie. It looks like the Tarte Amazonian Clay one. Yeah, it's like the exact packaging as the Tarte. But that's what it looks like. Okay, that's really cute. Ooh. Chocolate Cosmetics Who. I really like this. I like that one a lot. Next one, I'm so excited. Well, not this one, this one. This is Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extension Mascara in Brian. Thrive Cosmetics. Whoa, look at that before and after pictures. I hope that's real. Ooh, that's cute packaging. Interesting bristles. Can you see? I'll try that tomorrow. But yes, that looks really nice. Now, this is the one I'm really excited for. Benefit Gimme Brow. I've always wanted to try Benefit's eyebrow stuff, but it's always been expensive. And my eyebrows are already pretty dark and stuff, but yeah. This is the Benefit Gimme Brow Volumizing Eyebrow Gel in 4.5 Neutral Deep Brown. And I hope this is the right color, but it probably isn't. I don't really know about eyebrows. Oh. Look how tiny it is. Let me just... I'll try it out right now. I don't really know if I need brown gel. Whoa. Is it my color? I mean, I use clear brown gel. I don't even know if I use too much. Oh! Whatever. Ignore my ugly face. It's been on Accutane for a little bit now, and it has to get worse before it gets better. So yippity-doo! For watching. Oof, my brother just texted me. Bye! Love you guys.